Want to control exactly where your filter appear? Easily display them on shop pages, category pages, or any archive pages. With flexible filter placement control, you can show the right filters exactly where your customers need them. Let's start with Elementor. Simply drag and drop our filter here. Now you'll get the filter option. We can choose filter type or add product selector, presentation selector, or can choose filter layout, and there is many more option. And from database query, you can add category or tag or attribute terms. Then we have form manage option, and from here you can manage the form. You can copy the attributes and from here you can show or hide the attribute. You can also remove the attribute by clicking here. Let's remove this option. Now click publish. Let's see our filter. Rating style, price range, and category. Let's go back and let's change their place. And again click publish. Now if you visit the page, you can see their place has been changed. You can also customize the style and adjust the layout to perfectly match your page design. Now let's add filters using the block editor. Now from the plus icon, from our Plugincy section, let's drag and drop our filter here. Then at right side, you will find the option for our filter. In general settings, you can choose filter type and can add product selector, presentation selector, and choose filter layout as we have seen previously in Elementor. If you go down, database query option, then we also have form manage. You can also change these places from here to there, and if you want to hide, then we need to click here. You can also style from here, and there is also some advanced settings. Now click save changes. Now let's visit our page. See, your filter has been added to our page. You can also use a shortcode to place filter anywhere. So for that, add a shortcode block. Let's add. Now let's paste our shortcode here and click save. Now view the page. See, your filter has been added with shortcode. So that's it, your filters are now live. Now you can easily add filters to shop page, category pages, or any archive pages with complete control over placement and design. Show the right filters in the right place, improve product discovery, simplify navigation, and help customers find what they need faster.